So here we have the very famous, really, Mazda MX5, or if you're in America, the Miata, and it really is an excellent little car. It's everything that the MG Midget, the MGB, Triumph Spitfire, all those types of cars should have been, but were never really that good. So yeah, in their day, in the heyday of the MGs and Triumphs, they felt great, but reliability was always a problem, rust was always a problem, and the MX5, although it has its little problems and niggles, reliability wise it's excellent. So you do have to watch out for rust, but all the spots are well known on them. Front chassis legs, wheel arches are the main problem areas. But styling wise, there's cues in there that you can see have been taken from some of the Jaguars. There's also elements that you can see are actually Porsche inspired, but altogether it's a great little package. It's been put together really well. The car blends nicely, looks stylish, and is a great little car. It handles fantastic, got independent suspension all the way around, and really does handle well. So again, something that the British sports cars of the 60s didn't really enjoy was great handling. They were a bit hampered by their leaf spring suspension in the main on the rear end, and the dampers on the front were never particularly brilliant on a lot of the cars. But as you can see, this goes really well. It's got a nice amount of performance. It's a 1.8 engined one, this one, and it has got a nice amount of performance. It's never the most rapid car. It's not designed to be. It's a great sort of open top touring car really, and on a sunny day and you just get it out on some nice country roads, it feels fantastic, and it's great wind in your hair driving, although I haven't got a great deal of hair. So what can we say about it? Well, like we said, 1.8 engine, very reliable, gearbox, no troubles whatsoever, rear drivetrain, no trouble. Like I said, a little bit of problems with rust areas, but this one has had all the rust sorted out, and it drives fantastic. This one's got a really nice interior, so you've got the red leather inserts on the seats, and looks quite nice with the chromed roll hoop as well. So we've had this car for 5 years nearly, and it came to us for very little money. It didn't cost a great deal at all. So we've had 5 years of fun out of it, just using it as a summer car. And it's nothing better really than Saturday afternoon, sun shining, get the roof down, go for a drive, and it's just a way of having a nice relaxed drive out into the countryside, and very enjoyable. So I'm glad to see that you're still enjoying the footage, and this car is well deserving of the great reputation that they have. They really do have a really good reputation both here and in the States as a great little sports car. So it's nothing, like I said, performance wise, it's never going to win any drag races, but it is a really good solid car that you can just enjoy. So thanks for watching guys, and hopefully see you next time again. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified of our videos. So thanks for watching. Hope you would like to share it as well, and that also helps our channel. So thanks again guys, and we'll see you next time.